Business line na we what I say. What is business nothing? What about Puna Ochia? Over here, 50 pesos size, or both fruits. Over here, size, both fruit size. Over here. Ladies and gentlemen, your friends are working 7 million. Abeku Santana. Yes, yes, I'm friend of Mr. Tourism. I'm a girl. Now, a teacher for me, I'm a parent.
The legitimate grandson of the Golden School of People Solana, Mickey Osebia to Master Richard, aka Dada Bobby, aka Ukusi. Thank you so much. I wish you we are live on Salt 95.9 FM, Asante and Chim Abubu. Every radio station, member, Kwame Franco, FDA station in I think so. I don't 106.3. And I'm Angela from so far, please. 104.3. What was that? Now, I will be the ceremony of Do Adabo or Doom, and you have 1 area or here Kwame Franco. Right about now, I'd like to invite the dignitaries as it has been listed. Again, the CEO of EIB Network, again, Nat Kwabena ABC, also known as Bola Ray, to come up stage right now. I pray Dr. Sled, and now, Wadaruma, Bachon Braski. I pray the highest, Africa's foremost greatest rap artist, influencer, Michael Saponye, Bachon Braski, Kakafaway. I pray one of the mentors. We are the mentor. A mentor is someone who has been on that journey before, and he knows where the bumps and where the valleys are. It is your memory of Panche, Ora, Oti Bonsu, or no, and a saw, a year or here, Frimpong, and so much. And said he in the cover. Chairman Pacho Madama, when young, a year, state is Sodia Beboye. A very soon, Nanaba and Amoa will also join us here. Nanaba and Amoa, they almost self-share. A very board member of the Ghana Tourism Authority, Ambassador Plenipotentiary, MB, Honorable Akosia Delta, please join us. These are the brains behind it. And then, hopefully, for Cognizant, before I ever in now, these are the people that are here coming from consulted. Sir, Opesoye BBC, Omo Enche Omage. So what you are seeing today, and then the year and but he did it in consultation with these eminent great personalities here. Afei, Yantonsa, Emfa, Yenya, Kodum Kansa, Lewin, and the Empress, Nana Ma Brown, the brand ambassadors, Miss Nancy, Pacho, also over joining our stage here. Bernard will join us with Kwame Frimpong. Honorable Sharif Tijani Jelsoa, please join us. The Patrol the chief of Fortunuma will be enemy. Yes, Minister Joe Metal and Gospel Minister Sisi Chum to also join us upstage. Now, what we are seeing today is the birth of a great beginning from Asante Achim Abubu. As I affectionately call him, the friend Asante Achim Abubu Dangote. Now, this is a protege of Dr. Osei Kwame Desmond. If I can spread it, please spread. Okay, Kwame Frimpong. Says here, I call Asante Achim Abubu. If you be a friend of Abubu Dangote. Abrante, I will be starting to Cassia Pa. Now, where I am a Ketua. Say you who a year both food for public. You won't be that. Someone has always been actual both food. This is the first time I use a complete mix of flour and ingredients and chipo fruit. You know, yeah, so simple, so easy, very convenient. And one is I love all your best so. If you want some lunch, now you some few words from these great personalities, you know. If I'm a most 37 chipo fruit, you know, now we are how the buffalo for pork mix is prepared. Very simple, very easy, very convenient, and you can do it. Ladies and gentlemen, we have the king, the dancehall king, the godfather of dancehall in Ghana, arguably the man who gave us Momo Awards as far back as 2005. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Samini! If I show you, all right, Dankwanse here, beautiful, beautiful. Now, so we launch it, say now we are and you are no way when you are the carriage here. Then you know, say you have the blessing of the country, you have the blessing of the nation. Now, beyond and 24 hours stage here, and 24 hours stage here, say you come influence in number one as a political party votes. Nana Brown, our millions. Nana Banamwa, our millions. But don't cancel away our millions. We are talking about people who follow these great personalities. And Tinipa is not here. We're the highest. There is no artist in Ghana, and this can be verified. There's no artist in Ghana who has great influence on YouTube, on Instagram, on Twitter than Sarkodie, the highest. I'm telling you, you can go and check it. In Ghana, the highest. It is a way program we say. Now a sound for the four in now. Now with your Mishra and when you want the culture, then it means it has been accepted and it is authenticated that this product will last. Right now, I'll pass on the microphone. Now you're starting here. Now I'm going to be MC7. Then you're cheap for this year. Once it's going on, Musha said you're both for the channel. Now, Mushu, you come for the number target, both for publics. Yet I am bloggers in Nasi. Yet all media houses in Nasi. Let's carry this news across the country.
Wow. Well, I said, I just walked into the launch and I've been talking to this but the device not and the main message to the board. Basically, say the person Ghana, it's true, the idea, I said, I'm a son who said Ghana is true in terms of so these are the innovations that I was saying, what to 99 so go to the number finally, Yashada no yes to the fellow say, I said not to you know, the thing for the who said, I say, I'm not in the poor, not for we now, I will take it down one. You know, no master might go on to the next guest here now or the one party. Actually, I was going to take you in Dr. Clarence and all kinds of other dynamics, but you didn't make a car and you saw one home on the OPC or try to say you are not something you do. If you see where they catch in trouble, they will not support you. Anything that's made in Ghana, Ghanaians have to support. God bless him and I wish him all the best.
Right, so congratulations to you, Mr. Perform, and we wish you the very best. Thank you.
George Oshimoso, Echo Prince the fire Mania because the Bible said, I don't mean the hour of
the congratulations. I know that the book is not just for Ghana, it's for the whole wide world. But we're starting in Ghana. And already, I know that it's going to create a lot of job creation for people. And we're wishing you all the best. We're all going to support you.
Congratulations, Bobby. I'm so proud of you.
How are you? Oh, English, madam, what are you? Say something in English about my book.
I have tasted it. I have tasted it. The Bofrot Puff is really good. I think everyone should try it. Recommend it to friends if you're having breakfast in the morning, dinner. It's perfect for the dining table.
Thank you, madam. I didn't want
coming from the group. Nothing in the answer. Now, I shall not have a walk for. Like some kind of pop. I don't tell you, I have one close. I have one close in a young home. I don't be a young. It's never the new one answer. I would have a very simple. Both for your Daniel Didi. Higher. Forget YouTube higher. You shall go through. That's what I said. I know say YouTube. You shall go through. Okay, hey, I'm now go. My brother, YouTube. You shall go through. I'll forgive you because I'm a boy. And your father is here. But my sister in the UK, you shall go through. What is that about you? Oh, what do you want? Okay, but come on, we're all in American. What is it? My English, madam. She talk all in English language. We did not short any house answer. I know. You need one. And the main kind of meeting. Maybe Casama will walk. But I'm in the Casamunda, my brother. I don't, only tell me 7, I don't. They said, I'm a microphone and starting to know. Into the Governor, I come on, you never marvel. I come on. 7 said, Minuka Joe and I address, you know. Yeah. You're brand ambassador. I do not be your brand ambassador. I have to tell up what we're going to see at the chairman home. It's the chairman by and my supporters. And I know.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Bernard Hansari. I'm here. Please queue up, brother. How many people can queue here? If you like, raise your hands. If you like English, raise your hands. Okay, please, let me see my language. Began of fire. Then you to be an unreal fast. It says any maybe you can't tell other 10 mediums. Now, project SCC. Now, me as said, we create it, you know what? Crashing limit selling. Now, and then see I had focus for Portland ambassador. As I said, Durabo. So, we are making anything. I would see the Obino myself. I don't know. No, see, the baby and the abroad. I could put you on very
I want to say congratulations for this great innovative idea, and I believe this is our own. And so we want to urge everyone, not just personalize it, but speak about it to other people so that we can push things that are coming from this part of the world. God bless you.
Hello everybody, congratulations Bobby. We're happy for you. And I love Ghanaian food. I love everything Ghanaian. And see, let us eat it with our breakfast and let us have it as a snack with ice cream. You know, one nice notable for the ice, you come one egg to go. Oh, may I not be paid? So, we are put some money in Sydney. So, I'm put some more money in no who is a go over and let us make it great. It's over her, where's her picture? Call the post to Instagram and Facebook. Not Obian say product and not Obian Toby. Na Yompa, Yemia body, and then a partner. Not Ghana and Yansu, any gene, Ewa Manoni. See, you said the baby free Ghana at the Apple Amano for adult. Say, Yaya Ghana, the Lord.
Mr. Bakama can say, I think so. I've had the opportunity to Mexico voting now. Next year, in fact, not a way young person.
Ready, thank you.
All right, thank you. Bernard and of this report, congratulations for this innovative idea and making preparing photos very easy and convenient for us. When you put in Shasu, and we see answer me baby, and we are live on radio. If you have a person who may pop makes not the crowd and say, nah, you show. Okay, all right. You better me what? Okay, you better me what? Into you, baby. I have 5 Ghana cities. I have 5 Ghana cities. I have launching. And no one who baby to do baby. Ubenyabi. After all, cheap for the BTS for one. Ubia Kojibi. Let's test it. Let's say it. Beverage in so your cocoa, your rice water, your equipment. Your person on the boss will be a media boss.
Yo, you told me how to say, okay, say we never are. No. But you can't catch a moment, but say, what do your business no? What will you be at media? Yes.
About the move fruit all the way to where? Especially get you there. Yeah. Fast your kakana from listen, and then you make the move fruit. Smack on my move fruit all the way to where? Especially get you there. Yeah. Fast your kakana from listen, and then you make the move fruit. Smack on my